While auto companies around the world were racing to develop electric vehicles, Toyota took a step that has shaken the entire EV market. In 2025, Toyota introduced its new fifth-generation hybrid engine, which the company claims is the most fuel-efficient and lowest-emission engine ever. Reports indicate that this engine is approximately 12% more fuel-efficient than older hybrid models and has improved power output. Imagine, while other companies are focusing solely on battery-powered cars and grappling with charging infrastructure, Toyota launched an engine that runs on both petrol and electric power, meaning no charging hassles and excellent mileage. This move has become a major headache for companies like Tesla, BYD, and Honda, as Toyota has demonstrated that the future can be not just electric, but also smart hybrid. So stay tuned until the end of the video, as you'll learn what new technology Toyota has incorporated into this engine that's garnering so much buzz and how it's disrupting the entire electric industry. Before continuing, subscribe to the channel to be the first to see such authentic and interesting information. Before learning about that new engine, let's understand Toyota's current position in the global market and how the company got there. Toyota began in 1937 in Toyota City, a small town in Japan, when Kiichiro Toyota dreamed of breaking away from his father's textile machine company and manufacturing cars. At the time, no one imagined that this small company would one day become the world's largest automobile manufacturer. At first, Toyota produced only a few hundred vehicles, but over time it really established its reputation for Japanese engineering, reliable quality, and long-lasting vehicles. In the 1950s and 60s, during a period of rapid economic growth in Japan, Toyota captured the world's attention with its lean production system, a low-cost, high-quality manufacturing technique. Then came the Toyota Corolla, which, honestly, changed history. This car was so reliable and economical that millions of units have been sold since 1966, and it's now known as the world's best-selling car. Now today, Toyota has become the #1 auto company not only in Japan, but in the entire world. In 2024, Toyota sold approximately 11.2 million vehicles compared to about 10.6 million in 2023. This means the company achieved an increase of around 600,000 vehicles in just 1 year. This growth is significant because, while other companies were suffering losses in the EV market, Toyota generated stable profits thanks to its hybrid technology and fuel-efficient models. Its highest sales came from models like the Corolla, RAV4, Camry, and Hilux. The Lexus brand also achieved record sales in the luxury segment. Notably, approximately 37% of Toyota's total sales were hybrid vehicles, meaning the company hasn't yet fully entered the EV market, yet it remains at the forefront of profitability. Compared to companies like Tesla, BYD, or Ford, Toyota's business model is considered the most balanced. While other companies grappled with battery and charging network challenges, Toyota gradually adopted a multi-path strategy, continuing to work on petrol, diesel, hybrid, hydrogen, and EV vehicles. This is why it achieved a new profit record in 2024. Even as many EV companies sank into losses, Toyota's strength lies not just in its vehicles, but in its thinking. The company never chases trends. It has always understood and adopted technology ahead of time. For example, in 1997, when the world did not even know the name of electric cars properly, Toyota surprised everyone by launching the Prius hybrid. The same Prius is still considered a symbol of hybrid technology. Now in 2025, when all companies are focusing on EVs, Toyota is again going to repeat history with its new fifth-generation hybrid engine. If we talk about global market share, Toyota's share is around 10.7%, which is a huge figure for any auto company. Its hold in Japan, America, Europe and Asia is so strong that 1 out of every 10 cars sold is a Toyota. Toyota's new fifth-generation hybrid engine is truly a marvel that has captured the attention of the entire auto industry. To understand this, we need to understand in a simple way what makes it so different. Toyota has developed this engine using its dynamic force technology, which is, much more powerful and efficient than previous hybrid engines. Its most significant advantage is its thermal efficiency, meaning how efficiently the engine burns fuel and converts it into power. Typically, petrol engines have an efficiency of around 30%, but this new Toyota engine offers a thermal efficiency of approximately 41%, meaning more power and better mileage with less petrol. This is why Toyota claims that this engine can save approximately 12% more fuel than before. Now, let's talk about its most unique technology, the Atkinson cycle. The engines in our vehicles typically operate on the Otto cycle, which burns fuel quickly and produces more power, but the downside is that it also consumes more petrol. Toyota has used the Atkinson cycle in this new engine, which burns fuel slowly and extracts its full potential. This significantly reduces fuel consumption, and the engine runs cooler and smoother. This is why this engine can deliver strong performance for longer periods of time, even with less fuel. Next comes its dual injection system, meaning a dual fuel injection system. While typical engines inject fuel from a single source, Toyota has created two channels in this system, one inside the cylinder and one at the intake valve. When the engine is running for light work, this system injects less fuel, and when more power is needed, both injections work together. The advantage of this is that neither petrol is wasted nor the engine is overstressed. This improves both mileage and performance. Now comes the smartest feature of this engine, the electric motor assist system. Think of it as the engine's companion, helping it at all times. When the car starts or moves slowly in traffic, only the electric motor is engaged, meaning no gasoline is burned at that time. As soon as the car needs more speed, the engine starts and provides power in conjunction with the electric motor. This increases the car's speed, but doesn't increase gasoline consumption. And when you brake, that energy is stored back in the battery, which the motor then reuses. This is called regenerative braking. Toyota has made another major improvement to this engine. Its entire structure, the engine body, has been made lighter and more compact. This not only reduces weight but also keeps the engine cooler, increasing its lifespan. A new cooling system has been installed that distributes heat optimally so the engine doesn't overheat. This ensures smoother running for longer and reduces the need for maintenance. Toyota says they've also incorporated noise and vibration control technology into this engine. Previous hybrid engines often produced a loud noise when starting or switching from electric to petrol mode, but this time that noise is virtually gone. The driving experience is quieter and smoother than before. Another important aspect is that this engine now performs better in varying temperatures. This means the battery and engine activate quickly even in extremely cold areas and don't overheat even in hot areas. This makes Toyota's hybrid models suitable for driving in all climates and across all countries. Toyota describes this engine as future-ready, as this platform will also be used in future plug-in hybrids and hydrogen hybrid engines. This means Toyota has laid the foundation not just for today, but for years to come.